Blockchain. Blockchain technology has a significant impact in the global business environment. A blockchain is a distributed database or decentralized digital ledger that saves the transactions on thousands of computers around the globe. It stores information electronically in digital format. Each time new information is received, a new block is created and filled with it. Once the block is filled with data, it is chained into the previous block, which makes the chain of blocks in chronological order. Since past transactions are linked through cryptography, it cannot be altered or deleted. Let's see who are the blockchain network participants. Blockchain users are the participants who are allowed to join the blockchain and conduct transactions with the network and other network participants. Regulators are the blockchain users with special permission to monitor transactions in the network. Blockchain network operators are the individuals with special permission and authority to define, create, manage, and monitor the blockchain network. Certification authorities are the people who issue and manage various types of certificates needed to run a permissioned blockchain. Let's see what are the types of blockchain. The first one is public blockchain. Here, the data is stored, is available to everyone worldwide. The ability to write and read data is shared equally by all users who are participating. Then, the second one is private blockchain. Only one company may decide who has the access to send, write, and receive data. Only a few number of users can access and conduct transactions on the private blockchain network. Only the entity with complete control can modify the private blockchain's rule and receive the transactions under those rules. The third one is consortium blockchain. This is a hybrid model combining the minimal trust provided by a public blockchain with the highly trusted entity model of private blockchains. A few present participants are predetermined in the consortium blockchain rather than allowing every user to participate in the validation of transactions. Now let's identify what are the features of blockchain. The first one is immutability. Centralized database in a blockchain is prone to get hacked and require trust in the third party to make it more secure. However, once blockchain is written, it cannot be changed. It offers a great benefit for auditing purposes. The second one is trust. Currently, we have to rely on a middleman or an intermediary. It will cut down the efficiency of the transaction by charging a small fraction of fees to provide the trust. Built-in trust between parties lead to high cost. Therefore, distributing information across a network of computers, blockchain overrides the need for a central administrator. Therefore, the trust in the blockchain can be built by forming a consensus when all the nodes in the network validate the transaction. Next one is auditability. As blockchain is resistant to alter, it can be used as a source of validation. Instead of asking users to send bank statement or transaction reports, auditors can directly verify the transaction on a publicly available blockchain ledger. The fourth one is transparency. You know that blockchain offers a high level of privacy by making sure that transaction details are shared among the parties involved in those transactions. Therefore, every participant who has access to those blockchain networks can transparently view the details stored in the blockchain. The above features, the blockchain offers many advantages. The first one is less failure. Since everything is in the blockchain is fully organized, it doesn't depend on human calculation. It is highly fault tolerant. So, accidental failures of these systems are not usually noticed. The next one is zero scams. As the system runs on algorithms or mathematical models, there is no chance for people to scam out of anything. So no one can utilize blockchain for their personal gains. Transparency. The decentralized nature of the technology creates a transparent profile of every participant. Therefore, every change on the blockchain is viewable and make it more concrete. User control. With decentralization, users have the control over their properties. They do not have to rely on third party to maintain their assets. So all of them can view the transaction simultaneously by themselves. No third party. Decentralization nature of the technology make it a system that doesn't rely on third party companies. No third party means no added risk. Even though there are many advantages, there are some disadvantages too. Due to immutability, we know that data in the blockchain cannot be altered, which means the data modification is not possible. It requires large storage for a large database, which means it's too costly. Then the owner cannot access the private key again if they forget or lose it. Therefore, it's crucial for owner to remember the key and maintain their database in a more secure manner. Blockchain technology has therefore impacted international business environment in many ways. There are many industries who has applied and uses the applications of the blockchain. Now let's see what are the few industries who have applied the blockchain technology to modify their industry to the next level. The first industry is the supply chain management. Supply chains are the organizational and logistical systems by which goods are transported from a factory or a grower to the consumer. Blockchain makes global supply chain more efficient by allowing companies to complete transactions directly and without third parties. It also facilitates increased integration of financial and logistic services, enabling greater data collaboration between stakeholders. Blockchain technology has significantly altered banking and finance sector in many different ways. Payments, settlement protocols, fundraising, the management of securities, loans, credit, and trade finance are just a few of the things it has impacted. With the decentralization ledger for payments, blockchain can provide faster payment and lower fees. It enables real-time financial document verification and authenticated documentation, lowering operational risk as well as counterparty risk. Thanks to blockchain technology, many financial organizations have been able to enhance their operations and increase their level of competition in the banking and finance sector. Insurance industry. Insurance industry also benefited from blockchain technology. Insurance companies can use blockchain technology to develop smart contracts that manage insurance claims, automate time-consuming paper-based procedures, and protect confidential data. Distributed ledger technology offers advantageous uses for accelerating payment times, enhancing cybersecurity protocols, and expediting the processing of insurance claims. Blockchain technology can streamline the information and payment flow between insurer and reinsurers by safeguarding reinsurance contracts on the blockchain through smart contracts. Therefore, blockchain technology has increased efficiency, security, and transparency in the insurance industry. Healthcare industry. The healthcare system uses a blockchain network to store and share patient data across hospitals, diagnostic labs, pharmacy companies, and doctors. Blockchain applications can accurately detect serious errors, including those that are risky in the medical industry. Medical institutions can acquire knowledge and improve the analysis of the patient information with the use of this technology. As a result, it can enhance effectiveness, security, and transparency of exchanging medical data within the healthcare system. Blockchain improves medical record administration and insurance claim processing, which are both expensive and time consuming. Further, it keeps a track of hospital financial statements and cut down on data transformation time and enable to reduce cost as well. Now let's look at travel and tourism industry. In the travel and tourism sector, payments can be made using blockchain technology. Nowadays, large transaction costs are a common part of internet payments. By removing intermediaries, payments can be done securely using cryptocurrencies. When it comes to foreign travel, Blockchain technology can be incredibly helpful for tracking the exact location of luggage. A customer's luggage frequently changes hands several times during the course of their trip. Sharing tracking data across business is much simpler when using a decentralized database. Blockchain technology has substantially transformed the tourism sector. In order to promote return businesses, travel agencies operate client loyalty programs. Blockchain can help with these programs by streamlining the procedure, make it easier for clients to obtain information about their loyalty points, and enabling the distribution of tokens. In this field, fraud can be tough with the assistance of blockchain technology.